One of the secrets in personal injury law is the reality that most insurance companies are now using computer software programs to determine claim value on a given injury. Recent data suggests that software programs are being used by more than 70% of all insurance companies today, and there are about 300 insurance companies that handle most personal injury claims in the United States. This means your case will more than likely involve a computer program and an adjuster trained to input data about your injury. It then becomes imperative that a law firm you choose has the knowledge on how to best represent you when it comes time for the adjuster to input injuries in the software program. Here's how the software is used. The adjuster first puts in data about you and your injuries. Then, if it's a car accident, they input data about the person they insure and whether or not he or she was injured as well. They also input the amount of damage to both vehicles to help determine the force of the impact. Then they input the frequency, intensity, and duration of your medical care, whether you have a wage loss, and if you sustained any permanent impairment to any particular body part. Finally, the zip code of where the accident occurred is added to the mix, and then the software searches for jury awards that matches your demographics and injuries that come from the jurisdiction of where your accident happened. All of this is inputted to come up with a case value for your settlement. The problem with this approach is that if the adjuster ignores a specific medical diagnosis or misses a crucial piece of medical evidence on your claim, then it can skew to your detriment what the computer is allowing in terms of settlement value. The only way to combat this is to have a knowledgeable attorney on your side that can make sure every piece of medical evidence is thoroughly being reviewed by the adjuster. If details are not in an attorney demand package, the adjuster is more than likely not going to place value on the missing piece of evidence. You can find more information about this process on this website. I can also be reached for questions toll-free or by email at mark@blanelaw.com. I thank you for joining me.